Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to draw line in Excel. So you can draw different style of lines easily. Click on this insert tab. Then hover cursor illustrations, then shapes. Now here select lines. So select this first one without arrow. Now press and hold shift key and draw your line. Without shift key, very difficult to draw a straight line. So make sure press and hold shift key and draw your line. Now double click on your line and you can change color, effect and so many settings. So like red color. So you can change size for your line. You can change style. So here we can see with round dot and square dot, dash, dash dot and long dash. So this is the method guys, and there are some more settings like you can add the effect like shadow. You can see the preview. There are some more styles. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.